Look at me. Look at me. I cannot walk over the road because it's that wet, that icy. Like driving third gear, wheel spin all the time. We're going to snow chains now. So we're like worried to pieces that everything will go to shit because our snow chains don't fit. And then this Norwegian guy whose house is just off the bus stop that we stopped at comes out and he looks at our tires. He looks at the spare tire on the roof. He's like, "That's the right tire." And I'm like, "We have them all around. Nokia and Hakkapeliitta R3s." And he's like, "Then what do you need snow chains for?" So I think we're gonna make it. It's just probably a bit skittish. And he also told us that front wheel drive is much easier than rear wheel drive. But I think we learned that by now. And then he lights at the tires of the VW van behind us. He's like, "Oh, summer tires." Those are BFG all-terrains, by the way. But these guys have snow chains that fit, so maybe they will live too. So we're not criminals, really. We are not. We're genuinely nice people. And apart from the fact that there's like tons of military presence in this very area, we crossed like a dozen trucks and you know, G-Class and everything. All the signs that say how fast you are allowed to go are snowed in so badly that you have absolutely no idea what's actually going on. So every time there is a speed camera, we just essentially go to, you know, limp mode. Oh, 40. Apparently it's 40 now. And there's a supermarket and we need bread, so this is shorter than expected. Bye-bye. challenge is to build a snowman with coal and a carrot. And you only have one. Each team only has one. So we now found a team to actually finish the snowman. And then you have to drive with the snowman on your passenger seat, as well as put him in the driver's seat. So, evidence here. Done! We're driving to the Nordkapp with about 55 million cars and like 4 buses now. But it's beautiful.